Hello, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the dynamic world of e-commerce gateway integration? Today, we're uncovering the key trends for 2023 that are reshaping the way businesses process payments online. In this video, we'll explore the exciting shifts in the e-commerce influencing how transactions are conducted. From embracing diverse payment methods to the integration of AI and analytics. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Now, let's get started. 1. Embracing diverse payment methods. 2023 is all about variety in payment options. While credit and debit cards remain popular, e-commerce businesses are taking it a step further by integrating alternative methods. Digital wallets, buy now, pay later services, and even cryptocurrency are becoming mainstream. This wide range of options caters to different customer preferences and expands the global reach of e-commerce. 2. Rise of high-risk merchant processing. Industries considered high-risk, such as CBD and credit repair, have historically struggled with payment processing. But this year, there's a game-changing shift. Payment gateway providers are crafting specialized solutions for high-risk merchants. This inclusivity allows businesses in these sectors to seamlessly accept credit card payments, opening new doors for growth. 3. Enhanced security measures. With e-commerce growth comes heightened security concerns. Both businesses and customers are increasingly cautious about data breaches and fraud. To counter this, e-commerce gateways are implementing advanced security measures. Tokenization, biometric authentication, and machine learning-based fraud detection are at the forefront. These measures not only safeguard sensitive data but also build trust between businesses and their clientele. 4. Personalized and streamlined checkout experiences. Say goodbye to abandoned carts. In 2023, the focus is on a frictionless checkout process. E-commerce gateways are teaming up with customer relationship management systems to provide personalized experiences. Tailored recommendations and quicker transactions are on the menu. This trend is boosting conversion rates and elevating customer satisfaction. 5. Integration of AI and analytics. Data is gold for business optimization. E-commerce gateways are harnessing AI and analytics to offer actionable insights. From transaction trends to customer behavior, this data empowers businesses to make informed decisions. It's a strategic approach to enhancing payment processes and overall e-commerce strategies. 6. Mobile-centric payment solutions. Mobile shopping is king, thanks to smartphones. E-commerce gateways are catching on to this trend by prioritizing mobile-centric payment solutions. Optimizing checkout for mobile, enabling one-click payments, and integrating with mobile wallets are key tactics. Businesses that adapt to this trend tap into the growing segment of mobile-savvy shoppers. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the ever-evolving world of e-commerce gateway integration. Remember to subscribe, explore TouchSuite's offerings, and stay tuned for more groundbreaking insights. Until next time, tech enthusiasts keep innovating and keep those transactions secure. Goodbye.